Okay, here's Andy's truck. This is where he brings them in. These boxes are 4x8 and they have little paddles on the side. I'll get a little closer and you can see the paddles. You can see how they're just moving them forward. And they're just going to kind of scooch those birds out and into the pens. All these birds come from Idaho. It looks like he's got some checkers there. He's probably going to drop those at someplace else. Here's the pens. It's a little windy today. And it looks like these birds are raring to get out of those boxes. It looks like Doug's going to have to go down to the feed store and get some more feed because they look like they could eat a